So here is ThemePack app and how to install lock screen widgets in ThemePack. So quite easy. So yeah, you can just go to widgets and then here you have lock screen. And then yeah, you should be able to select any lock screen widgets like which you like. So let's just explore. So for example, I just want to install this widget. I need to use like some gems. Unfortunately, if you don't have premium in this app, you will need to watch a lot of ads, and this is how you just get gems. And then yeah, you don't need to upgrade, but you need to have like 300 500 gems to get started, maybe like even closer to 1,000. It means that you need to log in a few days to this app, then you need to watch few ads and share this app to your friends. And then yeah, and then you will be able to access widgets, icons, wallpapers for some not premium themes for free. So there you have it.
Hello, I'm Clara.
Okay, I don't know why I need to watch another ad. So sorry for that, but that's just basically showing you around that. Yeah, if you would try to use this app a lot and if you try to add a lot of widgets here, you will probably just need to upgrade. But if you just selected one theme which you really like and you just want to change it once per like 3 months or something, then probably you can just watch few ads here and there. So it just depends on you. So then I have this, and then I can just install this widget. Instantly pushes me to write a review, and then you can see some tutorial. So just go to lock screen, tap customize, tap add widget, search for ThemePack, and then just tap add, and then select your widget. So yeah, let's just try it out. You can also do it from the wallpaper settings, and then yeah, from here you can then just go and then just select ThemePack and then just tap add widget and then just tap add, and then here you have your widgets available and something like that, and now you have your widget here. So that's how it looks like. And then you just need to tap done in the top right. Hope that is helpful.